नमस्ते लिभन लाइभ जर्नी टु मिस नेपाल 2020 मा यहाँलाई स्वागत छ म हुँ निष्मा मिस नेपाल 2020 को यात्रा अलि अगाडिदेखि सुरु भए पनि प्रतिस्पर्धीहरूले आफूलाई मिस नेपाल 2020 को प्रतिस्पर्धीको रूपमा चिनाउन अलि पाउनु भएको छैन यसपटक अर्गनाइजर्सहरूले कन्टेस्टेन्टहरूको प्राइभेसीलाई मेन्टेन गरेर कन्टेस्टेन्टहरूलाई इन्ट्रोड्युस गर्नको लागि स्याश सेरेमनी राख्नु भएको छ and this day is also labeled as the big reveal day and why not we will be introduced to the Miss Nepal 2020 contestants आजकै दिनमा हामीले लिभनको तर्फबाट पनि मायाको रूपमा कन्टेस्टेन्ट्सहरूको लागि सानो गिफ्ट पनि राखेको छ त्यो गिफ्ट के हो आई विल डेफिनेटली लेट यु नो सो यु गाइज वाच इट टिल द एन्ड Like I said, लिभनले यसपालि मिस नेपाल 2020 को प्रतिस्पर्धीहरूको लागि लिभन मेकअप भ्यानिटी ब्याग दिइरहनु भएको छ र अहिले यो ब्याग दिँदाखेरि हामीले यसभित्र लिभनको क्रेमल स्याम्पू कन्डिसनर साथै सिरम सबै दिइरहेका छौँ एन्ड इन्क्लुडेड इज दिस मास्क बाई हातेमालो वुमेन्स अर्गनाइजेसन विच इज लेड बाई मार्जिनलाइज्ड वुमेन्स ग्रुप
First of all, I'm feeling really grateful for getting this opportunity and yeah, after almost a week we are allowed to reveal our names as a top 21 contestant. So yeah, I'm feeling very excited and happy.
So I'm very excited about the sash ceremony and I can't wait to see all the girls beautifully dressed up in their respective designs.
I'm feeling so surreal and thankful and I'm really excited to wear the official sash and the badge of my own name. So yes, I'm excited, happy, so many emotions going on.
मिस नेपाल 2020 को प्रतीक्षा अलि लामो नै भयो मैले यो कुरा पटक पटक भनि नै रहेको छु जति यसको प्रतीक्षा दर्शकहरूले गर्नुभयो त्यति नै यसको प्रतीक्षा गर्नुभयो अर्गनाइजर्सहरूले र त्यति नै यसको प्रतीक्षा गर्नुभयो प्रतिस्पर्धीहरूको प्रतीक्षा अझै अलिकति लामो बनाइदिनु भएको छ यसपटक अर्गनाइजर्सहरूले वी आर गोइङ टु ह्याभ अ भेरी बिग रिभिल फर मिस नेपाल 2020 र अहिले गार्डन एरियामा हामीले देख्न सक्छौँ मिस नेपाल 2020 को कन्टेस्टेन्ट्सहरू मास्क लगाएर बस्नु भएको छ टु इन्ट्रोड्युस देमसेल्फ टु द वर्ल्ड have with us very happy and healthy Miss Nepal World 2019 Anushka Shrestha. How are you?
I'm doing much better now, thank you.
Okay, and you're looking beautiful by the way.
Thank you very much. Match the walls.
Match the walls, always. Also, Livon has some vibes. I don't know why I have to say that. Okay, so अब मिस नेपाल 2020 स्टार्ट भइहाल्यो होइन सो अब फाइनली आफ्नो क्राउन चाहिँ सक्सेसरलाई दिने टाइम पनि आयो भेरी लङ वेट आई मस्ट से सो वाट आर द क्वालिटिज द्याट यु लुकिङ फर इन यर सक्सेसर
Somebody who would do as much as possible with the crown because there's so much possible with it हैन जति माया कन्ट्री भरिले गर्नुहुन्छ जति रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी भन्दा पनि जति सपोर्ट पनि पाइन्छ त्यो सबैलाई एकदम युटिलाइज गरेर एकदमै केही सब्स्टेन्शियल इम्प्याक्टफुल गर्ने खालको चाहिँ सक्सेसर कोर्स जस्तो लाग्छ
Beautifully said. Definitely a lot of love and a lot of support also comes your way. Ani, I think you've also set a very wonderful example. So they have a very big shoe to fit जस्तो लाग्छ.
Size 39.
Same Marika. So sash ceremony bhairahach आज. I think you also saw a few participants. How did you like them?
Well, I haven't actually gotten to see, meet and talk. There is an actually कसैसँग पनि बस्न पाएको छैन. So I'm excited as well because this is my first time seeing and interacting with the participants of 2020. So I'm looking forward, but I can already tell that they're a strong bunch because it's so challenging to say the least situation ma pani aera garchu bhanera aunu. It takes that amount of persistence and huncha ni. So it already tells me that they're fighters and they're people that are very much into it.
I know, a lot of passion, right? I see that. I have interacted with a few of them and I can feel that they are really passionate about Miss Nepal. You know? So was there a sash ceremony last year?
You know there
Ceremony?
was.
No, this kind of sash ceremony, you know, what do you feel about this new concept that the Hidden Treasure has come up with for Miss Nepal?
I think it's great because आउँदाखेरि नै हुन्छ नि, because we would get to know and see हरेक participant individually and त्यसपछि we have their own moments. The more opportunities we have to see the participants, to get to know them, the more opportunities they have to present themselves and हुन्छ नि to know themselves, the better it is. It's a great day, the weather is lovely and the event is lovely and I'm so looking forward to it.
Okay, any message for the contestants?
All the very best. Honestly, I'm so excited to see you girls participate. Ani, make the most of it. You're in here already, you are in the running already, but more than in the running, you are in the Miss Nepal family already. So please make the most of it.
Okay, thank you so much Anushka for talking to us and for looking beautiful, for being healthy and for giving such nice message. Livon wants to give you the first day. We have this for all the contestants and you say first one, this one is for you.
Thank you so much.
I hope this is something that you carry. आफ्नो सामान राखेर चाहिँ अलिकति हिँड्नुहुन्छ
Yeah,
भने
it would definitely be handy, right? Especially for the participants. This is a great starting thing.
I know. Are you jealous now? Because you didn't get this last year.
I still get it now, so it's fine. And you can make it up to me. Livon can make it up to me by giving it to me every year.
Thank you so much, Anushka. Thank you. So with us we have Miss Nepal International 2019, Meera Kakshapati. Meera, how are you?
I'm good. And now that I'm here, it's like a lot of memories are coming back. I'm a little nervous by the
Question सोध्नै परेन, answer भट्टाभट्टी आउँछ. That's what Meera does, होइन? So I was about to ask, like, you contestantहरू देखिरहनु भएको छ, होइन? प्रतिस्पर्धीहरू 2020 को प्रतिस्पर्धीहरू पुरा कासाको लुगामा, होइन? They are there. Sash ceremony भइरहेछ for the first time. What do you think about that?
I mean, their sash ceremony is way fancier than ours, so अलिकति my jealous चाहिँ भयो होइन, being very honest. But it's nice. Miss Nepal त अब every year त evolve हुँदैछ नि त होइन, so it's a good thing that they're doing it in a grander way.
Right? Yeah. Okay, any messages to Miss Nepal 2020 contestants?
Okay, the most important lesson that I've learned in life, it's all about acceptance, right? Situation ne dukha dine haina, it's our resistance towards the situation. So alikati pani stress bhayo भने चाहिँ एकदम acceptance भनेर आफूले भनिहाल्ने हैन, the stress चाहिँ don't let it get to you because यो भनेको त already it's a very stressful journey.
I know.
So you need to be very zen. That's what I'm going to say, be centered.
Yes, it is a stressful journey, but it is also the most fun journey that anyone will have.
एकदमै mix हो यो त.
Of course.
Roller coaster now.
Okay, Meera, thank you so much for being so beautiful, so bubbly and so fun to talk to. Livon has a small vanity bag for you.
It is so cute. Oh my god, thank you.
As love, that's a lot of Livon love for you.
Thank you so much. Very excited to see what's inside.
We have a lot of Livon goodies inside. It's definitely very heavy. Please let the audiences know.
It is very heavy. भित्रको सामान चाहिँ heavy होस्, I guess.
Okay, I hope you use it and I hope this helps you a lot. Right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
With us we have contestant number 1, Ayushma Shrestha from Chitwan, right. Ayushma, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling happy. It's amazing.
Right. So sash ceremony भयो त्यहाँनिर हैन. There was so much media, त्यति media attention. What did that feel like?
That felt like dream, I would say.
Okay.
When we were first time to यति धेरै media attention and that felt really amazing.
Okay. So यहाँको virtual ट्रेनिङ भइरहेको छ हैन, भनेपछि यहाँले कन्टेस्टेन्टहरुलाई धेरै भेटिसक्नु भएको छैन. So आज धेरै टाइम स्पेन्ड गर्नुभयो. Who did you gel up with? Who was your favorite?
My favorite, everyone were really nice, but I'm really close to Sisa.
Sija. Okay. It's really nice to see you. All the very best for your journey.
Thank you.
Contestant number 2, T for too tall. We have Rajani Chaudhary. So first thing first, अहिले अब कन्टेस्टेन्टहरू धेरैजनासँग भेट भएको छैन तर आइएम स्योर सबैले यहाँलाई अडिसन्समा नोटिस गर्नुभयो होला बिकज अफ द हाइट शी 6 feet tall by the way. सो यो म जस्तै जुन लेम जोक्स क्र्याक गर्छ नि टल पिपलहरूमा डज एनी वान अफ योर को कन्टेस्टेन्ट डु द्याट?
अस्ति चेन्जिङ रुममा पछाडिबाट खोइ कसले यसरी हाइट नापेको थियो त्यति बेला नरमाइलो चाहिँ लाग्यो तर इट्स ओके नि बानी परिसकेको छ सो इट डजन्ट म्याटर फर मी
ए ओके द्याट्स रियली नाइस. को रहेछ त्यो कन्टेस्टेन्ट होइन?
आई डोन्ट नो बट समवन ह्याड डिड द्याट.
Okay, someone did that. Okay, so as a sash ceremony भयो है कस्तो रह्यो एक्सपिरियन्स? हाउ आर यु फिलिङ अबाउट द्याट?
आई फिल सो गुड. यस्तो रमाइलो भएको थियो नि त्यो लाइफमा कहिले एक्सपेक्टै गरेको थिइनँ मैले फर्स्ट टाइम. सो इट वाज सो गुड एन्ड इनर्जेटिक. म त सो क्यान डिसाइड के यस्तो ठाउँमा आउँछु भनेर नि मैले सोचेको पनि थिएन लाइफमा. सो आइ एम फिलिङ सो ओभरवेल्मिङ एक्साइटेड एन्ड लुकिङ फर जर्नी.
लुकिङ फरवर्ड टु द जर्नी. आज पुरै दिन धेरै एक्टिभिटीहरू भइसक्यो होइन? अब अहिले यो पनि भइरहेछ एन्ड ब्याक टु ब्याक इन्टरभ्युजहरू पनि भइरहेछ. वाट इज द बेस्ट एक्टिभिटी द्याट ह्यापन टुडे? आजको दिनभरि भएको सबैभन्दा बेस्ट कुरो के हो?
क्यामराम्यानहरू सबै अगाडि नै अगाडि लाइक सेलिब्रेटी जस्तो फिल हुँदो रहेछ.
सेलिब्रेटी जस्तो फिल हुँदो रहेछ. द्याट्स रियली नाइस रजनी एन्ड अल द भेरी बेस्ट फर यर जर्नी.
थ्याङ्क यू.
लुकिङ फरवर्ड टु यर जर्नी.
थ्याङ्क यू. आइ एम लुकिङ फरवर्ड टु.
Contestant number 1, 2, 3. Contestant number 3, Shubhangi.
Yes.
What's your full name?
Shubhangi Khatri.
Shubhangi Khatri. Tell me more about you.
I'm from Bhaktapur and currently I'm a third year undergraduate student of dentistry in Kathmandu University School of Medical Sciences. And I've been spending most of my lifetime in Dhulikhel because I used to go to the same university affiliated school. So it's really close to my heart.
Oh, that's really beautiful. So आज sash ceremony भयो इतिहासमै पहिलो पटक मिस नेपालमा यो यस्तो इतिहासको पाटो हुन पाउँदाखेरि कस्तो लागिरहेछ?
मलाई एकदम रमाइलो लागिरहेको छ. स्यास सेरेमनी मिस नेपालको हिस्ट्रीमा फर्स्ट टाइम भयो अनि I was so excited. I couldn't keep my mouth closed. Like corners of my mouth were here.
That's really nice and you have a very beautiful teeth so I think you can smile all the time.
Yeah, exactly.
Everybody must smile all the time. What am I saying? So आज धेरैवटा एक्टिभिटिज भयो. त्यो एक्टिभिटी मध्ये सबैभन्दा आफ्नो फेभरेट चाहिँ कुन रह्यो?
सबभन्दा फेभरेट मेरो स्यास सेरेमनी भयो. कतिचोटि भनौँ इट वाज सो एक्साइटिङ फर मी.
That's so sweet. So अहिले बन्डिङ किप अप गर्नको लागि चाहिँ के गरिरहनु भएको छ?
इन्स्टाग्राममा फलो गर्ने एकअर्कालाई लाइक अल अफ द सोसियल मिडियाजमा fellow contestants and I've been making some great friends as well. So
who are the great friends you've been making?
It's Neha, Sija, Supriya,
that's
Sandhya, like so many of them. All of them are
2, 3, 4, 5 more 21 more names.
Exactly.
20 more names. Okay. So अहिलेको टाइममा सबैभन्दा कम्पिटिटिभ को लागिरहेछ?
All of them are competitive. Like my mind is blown. Miss Nepal Maira, like there's so many empowered women here.
Of course, there are a lot of empowered women. Education भइसकेपछि empowered हुन्छ नि, but I wanted one name.
All of them, I would say. Yeah.
यो एकदमै मलाई मन नपर्ने आन्सर भयो. But anyway, Shubhangi, all the very best for your journey.
Thank you
I'm
so
really
much.
looking forward to.
Thank you so much.
Contestant number 4, what is your name?
My name is Arnika Raj Bhandari.
What does Arnika mean?
It means it is a type of a flower which is like a pain reliever and it comes under sunflower family.
Oh, that's really nice, but I heard you're an engineer.
Yeah, I'm an engineer. Like
Wow,
IT.
that's really nice. So as a sash ceremony भयो कस्तो लाग्यो यहाँलाई sash ceremony? So much media attention.
I know, right? Like so much media attention. Like I wasn't expecting it to be this huge, but it was really, really nice to be a part of Miss Nepal 2020.
है ओके सो आज फर्स्ट टाइम सायद कन्टेस्टेन्टहरूसँग यति टाइम स्पेन्ड गर्नुभयो होला किनभने यहाँहरूको ट्रेनिङ त भर्चुअली भइरहेको छ होइन सो हु इज योर फेभरेट एन्ड हु डु यु थिङ्क इज अ भेरी गुड कम्पिटिसन टु यु
I think everyone is good because being at this place is already a winner.
One name, come
One
on.
name, like I don't think I can take a name because I don't know them personally till now. So you know.
We have to wait for the close
yeah,
count.
it might take
Okay.
a little
Thank you so
time
much,
for that.
Arnika. All the very best.
Thank you so much.
With us, we have contestant number 5. What is your name?
My name is Junitana.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling totally fantastic.
Totally fantastic. I like that. So, sash ceremony भयो आज हैन यति धेरै media attention. What did that feel like?
Yeah, it feels like it's like a act of dream happening.
सपना पुरा भयो जस्तो लाग्यो.
Yeah, pura hudai tha.
पुरा हुँदैछ. I like that.
It's
Okay.
a process.
नाइस सो आज चाहिँ कति पछि भनौँ न भर्चुअल सेसन्स पछि चाहिँ कन्टेस्टेन्टहरूलाई इन पर्सन भेट्यो होइन सो मच मेकअप एन्ड जेलिङ भयो होला सो हु इज अ स्ट्रङ कन्टेन्डर अकर्डिङ टु यु
Well, सबैजना एकदमै राम्रो हुनुहुन्छ है. I feel
एकदम
like
हजुर.
that. And I feel Arnika is also best.
Arnika is best.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. I like there's a name and I like there's best in it. All the very best for your journey. We're really looking forward to watching.
Thank you.
Contestant number 7. Oh my god, lucky 7. Oh,
Kind of.
kind of.
हजुर.
Okay, do you think the number is lucky for you?
I hope so.
You hope so. Okay, Nigata.
हजुर.
Nigata, please, what's your full name?
Nigata Kesi.
Nigata Casey. What city are you representing?
Dang.
Dang. Okay, I am really looking forward to go to Dang. That's a conversation for some other day, होइन? So आज चाहिँ sash ceremony भयो, होइन? यति धेरै contestants-हरु एकैचोटि एकै ठाउँमा media and all of that sponsors-हरु सबैजना कस्तो भयो experience?
एकदमै रमाइलो, एकदमै धेरै लाइक एक्साइटेड होइन, मोस्ट अवेटेड मुभमेन्ट टाइपको फिल भयो होइन. अनि फिलिङ लाइक अलरेडी अ विनर कि सास लाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ त्यही भएर भेरी मच ह्याप्पी.
That's really nice. Feel like a winner already. So आज दिनभरि धेरै कुरा भयो नि त धेरै कुरा भइरहेछ इन्टरभ्युजहरू पनि कति भइरहेछ फोटोसुटहरू भइरहेछ what is the best thing that's happening आज बिहानदेखि नै जे पनि मेन्सन गरे हुन्छ what is the best thing that happened today?
Everyone is so warm, so welcoming, होइन, so supportive, and that's what I'm liking it very much.
ए हो त्यो चाहिँ okay I thought she'll mention some activity especially talking to me होइन त्यो चाहिँ भएन ठिकै छ
त्यो त हो नै, त्यो त हो, that's obvious.
okay so contestant-हरुसँग अहिले फ्रेन्डशिपमा अलिकति इश्युज भइरहेछ जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई बिकज अफ द भर्चुअल सेसन्स होइन अरू समय जस्तो बन्डिङ त भएको छैन होला के जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई सो हाउ आर यु म्यानेजिङ टु किप अप विथ द फ्रेन्डसिप
हजुर हाम्रो भाइबरमा छुट्टै मिटिङ पनि हुन्छ होइन, लाइक अनि टिम्समा पनि मिटिङ भइरहेको छ, त्यसमा हाम्रो लाइक कुराहरू पनि हुन्छ होइन. अनि एभ्री वान इज सो वार्म, वेलकमिङ एन्ड सपोर्टिभ, त्यही भएर सबैजना फ्रेन्डली नै हुनुहुन्छ.
फ्रेन्डली नै हुनुहुन्छ ओके कन्टेस्टेन्टहरूमध्ये सबैभन्दा बोल्ड को हुनुहुन्छ त
बोल्ड सबैभन्दा बोल्ड चाहिँ मलाई आयुषा लाग्छ.
आयुषा बोल्ड लाग्छ बब्ली को हुनुहुन्छ
बब्ली प्रगति.
Pragati is lovely. Okay, that's really nice. Thank you so much for talking and all the very best. So, contestant number 8, what is your introduction?
Hi, I am Siza Chaulagai.
Sija Chaulagai. Nice. She's one of the Live On Life contestants,
Yes.
eh? Nice, nice. Okay. Sija, as a sash ceremony boy, what did that feel like?
Well, it was really amazing, I would say, and interesting because this was the first time in the history of Miss Nepal that they had a sash ceremony, and I'm feeling really proud to be a part of it, and it's always been a dream to be Miss Nepal, and here I am with my contestant number today, so it's really an amazing experience.
Okay, so ekdamai easy question sochu hai ta because it's a competition and everybody is competitive and who do you think is the biggest competitor as of now?
Well, I had this said to the judges in the audition as well. I am a competition to myself here, so I am competing with my own self, and we had this in our virtual session as well to become better version of yourself every day. So I am aiming to it. So I am competing with myself.
Oh, that's really nice. But I personally would like a name. I want a name apart from your name. Ko hunthyo hola? Come on.
Everyone is competitive. I cannot give a name. No.
Boy. Thank you so much, Shiza, for talking to us. All the very best for your journey.
Thank you so much.
Contestant number 9, Sajana.
हजुर.
Sajana, what's your full name?
सजना पन्त.
Sajana Panta, semi-qualified CA, if I'm not wrong. So, how are you keeping up with the friendship अहिले virtual sessions मा?
अहिले चाहिँ एक्चुअली मैले सबैजनालाई हुन्छ नि भिडियो थ्रुबाट नै हेरिरहेको छु and I try to see the little activities they are doing, and whenever we meet we point it out तिमीले के गरिरहेको थियो त्यो गरिरहेको थियो भनेर अनि त्यसरी I start conversation with them.
Oh, she's the most, I think, like the fun one. हुन्छ नि यो गरिरहेको थियो त्यो गरिरहेको थियो I like that. So, अब म यो गरिदिन्छु ल यो competition हो नि त. So, who do you think is the most competitive person? Don't take your name, no.
Okay, I'm not going to take my name, but I am not going to take anybody's name, because
यो दुईटै option छैन. You have to take a name.
कसको नाम लिउँ त?
कसको नाम?
निस्मादी मसँग आएको भए म भन्थेँ निस्मादी भनेर है, तर अब अहिले सरी इट्स मी सजना पन्त.
यो भएन यति धेरै डिप्लोमेटिक भएर चाहिँ मिस नेपाल भइँदैन. You have to be very bold.
Okay.
है ओके सो आज साश सेरेमनी थियो आफ्नो फिलिङ्सलाई 3 वर्डमा डिस्क्राइब गर्नु पर्यो एक्साइटेड भन्न मिलेन नर्भस भन्न मिलेन ह्याप्पी भन्न मिलेन एनिथिङ एल्स
Okay, I was relaxed, light-hearted, and I feel so special.
Nice. Nice, Sajana, nice. Sash goes to Gita. Okay. Thank you so much for talking to us. All the very best for your journey.
Thank you, Te, thank you.
Tell me, how are you feeling? I know excited त एउटा छ
Yes.
because of the sash ceremony. Sash ceremony ले गर्दाखेरि अरु के भइराछ त? Excited
So
बाहेक.
I am really grateful for how far I've come, and I'm really excited for where I'm heading towards.
Okay. यो भएर excited भन्दा पनि अगाडि जानुलाई excited. I like that difference in answer. Okay. So contestant सँग जलप गर्न चाहिँ अहिले आफ्नो contestant सँग जलप गर्न अलिकति issue भइराछ नि त because of the virtual sessions. How
Yes,
are
yes.
you keeping up with the friendship?
Through social media, हाम्रो चाहिँ ग्रुप छ भाइबरमा पनि अनि मेलमा पनि, so I'm checking them out from social media and just letting them know कि like I'm there for them, like if they need anything. So I'm connecting them through social media, definitely.
Checking them out. Please remember that. What is that? Checking them out.
No, just trying to get in touch through social media. That's what I mean.
So have you made any best friends?
Everyone.
So I don't like your naam no bhako wala answers, but who do you think is a tough competition? One name?
That's me. Actually, it's just me versus me at the moment.
Me versus me. Look at the mirror. Me versus me. All right. Pragati, thank you so much for talking and all the very best for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
With us, we have contestant number 11. Ma pani 11 ho. My number sister भन्नु पर्यो. Aisha
Yes.
Shrestha. Okay. Where are you from? What city are you representing?
I am representing the capital city, Kathmandu.
Okay. So tell me more about you. के गर्नुहुन्छ?
I am a civil engineer by profession. I have completed my bachelor's degree in civil engineering, and I am working. Yes.
Oh, you're working. Wow, she's an engineer. Okay. So as a sash ceremony भयो, you know, so much of media attention. What did that feel like?
It was surreal. I think it was a dream come true because sash ceremony, it is happening for the first time in Miss Nepal history, and I was very excited and I'm very happy.
Very happy.
Yes.
Okay. यहाँले धेरै कन्टेस्टेन्टसँग घुलमिल गर्न पाउनु भएको छैन
Yes.
हैन. सो आज चाहिँ सबै कन्टेस्टेन्टहरु बिहानैदेखि आउनुभयो, मेकअप and so much dress up and gel up हैन. So who was your favorite and who do you think is a big competition?
I think I have interacted well with two people here, Merisha and Supriya. I think they both are amazing, and yeah, they are a very strong contender.
Okay. I'm so glad that you have names. Thank you so much and good luck for your journey.
Thank you so much.
Okay, contestant number 12. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Merisha Suwal, contestant number 12, as you can see, and I am representing Kathmandu in Miss Nepal 2020.
Wow. Okay. So as I say, the sash ceremony भयो. What did that feel like? All the media attention and everyone wanting to know you and looking at you.
It felt great, and I was really excited because the sash ceremony happened for the very first time in the Miss Nepal history. So I was really glad to be a part of it.
Okay. So first time I think contestant यति close up and close भइरहनु भएको छ. Of course journey त लामै छ. तै पनि अहिले पनि with the first look and a bit of interaction, who do you think is the strongest contender?
I think Pratigya, Supriya, and Aisha are the strongest competitors in Miss Nepal 2020.
Okay. So virtual sessions भइरहेको छ. So how are you guys managing to keep up the friendship?
It's actually going quite good. We go shopping together if we have to shop for anything, and we share our difficulties and we share what we found more exciting in this journey together.
That's nice then. All the very best for your journey. We're really excited to see you.
Thank you so much.
Contestant number 13. What is your introduction?
So I'm Neha Sarkar, 22-year-old from Kathmandu Valley.
Okay, representing Kathmandu itself, we have Neha Sarkar, and she's a doctor
Doctor to be.
doctor in making. Okay, that's nice. So Neha, अहिले अब कन्टेस्टेन्टहरुले आफ्नो को कन्टेस्टेन्ट्सहरुलाई भेट्न पाइरहेको छैन नि त, अनि त्यसपछि बल्ल बल्ल आज भेट्न पाउँदाखेरि अनि एकदम कम इन्टरेक्सन हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ यहाँलाई साथी बनाउन कतिको अप्ठ्यारो भइरहेछ?
सो पहिलेदेखि लिभ अन लाइफबाट अप्लाई गरेको भएकोले चाहिँ त्यहाँ साथी पहिलेदेखि बनेर आइरहेको थियो, अनि आज चाहिँ नयाँ नयाँ साथीहरूसँग इन्टरेक्सन गर्दा रमाइलो लाग्यो. साश सेरेमनी पनि भयो आज for the first time in the history of Miss Nepal. How was that experience? So I was having a sudden adrenaline rush हुन्छ नि त्यो, with excitement, nervousness, all feelings at the same time, and I was quite happy with this new change in Miss Nepal journey. So we are the lucky batch right now that we are having sash ceremony. Yes, a very lucky batch, and I'm really looking forward to your journey. All the very best. Contestant number 7 to 14.
Okay, contestant number 14, Simal.
Yes.
What's your full name?
My name is Simal Kanojia.
Okay, that's nice. What city are you representing?
I'm representing Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. That's nice. So, Simal, tell me more about you. What do you do?
Actually, I am a graduate from Kathmandu University School of Management, and after that, I worked as a marketing officer for a year at the FNsoft group of companies. And since I'm interested in public speaking, I've also worked as a freelancer host.
Oh, nice. Host life boys. And then hashtag host life. So, Simal, tell me, अहिलेको समयमा अब भर्चुअल सेसन्सहरु भइरहेको बेलामा फ्रेन्डशिप अलिकति अप्ठ्यारो हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई विशेष गरी मिस नेपालमा चाहिँ किनभने ट्रेनिङको दौरान नै एउटा किसिमको बन्ड हुने हो हैन सो हाउ आर यु किपिङ अप विथ द फ्रेन्डशिप
I'm interacting सकेसम्म अब कोही अगाडि आउनु भयो भने आई ट्राई टु इन्टरेक्ट होइन आफै इनिसिएट गरेर एन्ड बियोन्ड द्याट अलिअलि इन्स्टाग्राममा अलिकति चिट च्याट्सहरू चाहिँ भइ नै राखेको छ
chit chats okay so who are you chit chatting with the most who's your best friend here
I have two people to name and it is Riya Shrestha and Pragati Shrestha.
Okay so who do you think is the most competitive contestant here
Competitive I think everyone is equally competent अनि म पनि एउटा नाम भन्नुपर्दा लाइक आई रियली डोन्ट ह्याभ किनभने मैले उहाँहरूलाई क्लोजली चिन्न मौका नै पाएको छुइनँ होइन सो आई क्यान नट पिक वान नेम अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ आइ एम कम्पिटिसन टु माइसेल्फ
यस्तो भएन क्या यो एउटा नाम चाहियो कि यस्तो त डराएर त आई डोन्ट थिङ्क इट्स गोना वर्क बट एनिवे आज स्यास सेरेमनी थियो हाउ वाज द एक्सपिरियन्स एन्ड हाउ डिड यु फिल
स्यास सेरेमनी वाज भेरी ब्युटिफुल एकदमै सरियल एक्सपिरियन्स भयो मेरो लागि होइन एन्ड द्याट पर्टिकुलर मोमेन्ट वाज भेरी म्याजिकल टु मी
Magical. Yes. I like the word. All the very best, Simal, and I'm really looking forward to your journey.
Thank you, Dee.
We have Sona Shrestha, contestant number
15.
15 खुसी छ यो नम्बर पाएर
हजुर एकदमै
हो आफूलाई कुन नम्बर पर्छ जस्तो लागेको थियो
मैले चाहिँ 19 एक्सपेक्ट गरेको थिएँ बट आई गट 15 एन्ड आइम ह्याप्पी विथ द्याट
वाइ डिड आई नो द्याट यु मस्ट बी एक्सपेक्टिङ सम नम्बर कि वाइ वर एक्सपेक्टिङ 19
बिकज हाम्रो अल्फाबेटिकली राख्दाखेरि चाहिँ मेरो 19 नम्बरमा थियो क्या
ओके द्याट मेक्स सेन्स ओके सो अहिले अब भर्चुअल सेसन्सहरू भइरहेको बेलामा होइन फ्रेन्डसिप किप अप गर्न अलिक अप्ठ्यारै हुन्छ नि त फिजिकली मिट अप गर्दाखेरिको जस्तो फ्रेन्डसिप हुँदैन सो कसरी हाउ आर यु किपिङ अप विथ द फ्रेन्डसिप विथ द को कन्टेस्टेन्ट्स
हाम्रो भर्चुअल क्लासेसमा पनि वेन आवर लिडर इज नट अभाइलेबल देन वी टक फ्रम देयर अनि यहाँ भेट्दाखेरि पनि सोसियल डिस्टेन्सिङ मेन्टेन गरेर पनि वी आर टकिङ So I'm making friends.
You're making friends. Yes. Okay. Who are the friends that you've made? अहिलेसम्म एकदम बेस्ट फ्रेन्ड को हुनुभएको छ योजना भट्टराई नाइस ओके सो अब अहिले पनि त अलिअलि त इभ्यालुएसन गर्नुहुन्छ होला नि त आफै पनि आई नो इभेन्चुली इट्स अ कम्पिटिसन सो हु डु यु थिङ्क इज द मोस्ट कम्पिटिटिभ पर्सन हियर
कम्पिटिटिभ आई फाइन्ड सुप्रिया श्रेष्ठ कम्पिटिटिभ बिकज ऊ चाहिँ पहिल्यै भिजे आरजे गरिसकेको मिडिया एक्सपोजरको एक्सपिरियन्स छ नि त
So you think she's more competitive? Yeah. Okay. As a SASH ceremony bhayo हैन so how was that?
It was really हुन्छ नि ड्रिम जस्तो आई वाज रियली ड्रिमिङ फर द्याट अनि यो आफ्नो नामको स्यास लाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ आँसु नै आउनु लागेको थियो कि बट आई वाज कन्ट्रोलिङ त्यो क्यामेराहरू हुँदाखेरि इट वाज रियली ह्याप्पी मोमेन्ट
है सच अ नाइस थिङ सी सेड आँसु नै आउनु लागेको सो अल द भेरी बेस्ट सोना आई एम श्योर देयर आर गुड थिङ्स टु कम इन योर लाइफ इन दिस जर्नी
Thank you.
All the very best. Contestant number 17.
Yes.
Supriya Shrestha.
Yes.
What city are you representing?
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu.
Yes.
Okay. Supriya, tell me more about you.
Well, I am a participant of Miss Nepal right now.
Nice.
Contestant number 17 and I stand here very proud. I feel quite tall as well because of the heels. Well, I am really looking forward to this journey because so many things are going on and despite of everything going on, we are here, we're trying our best and it is amazing to see so many empowered girls all around. And personally, I feel like I'm really going to enjoy this journey. I feel like I have this crown on my head already.
Okay, well, personally, what I can tell you is you are going to enjoy this journey because that is what happens in Miss Nepal. अहिलेको समयमा साथी बनाउन चाहिँ अलि अप्ठ्यारो भइरहेको छ होला virtual sessions भएको कारणले Miss Nepalमा चाहिँ. So how are you keeping up with the friendship?
Well, the good thing, I would call it a good thing about me is that I get along with people very easily. So despite the fact that we're interacting mostly on video calls and everything, I can feel a connection with everyone. When I look at their faces, their smile, their eyes, I mean, we're just bonding in a very different way. And when we meet physically, I think everyone is so nice over here. So it's not very difficult.
Not very
me.
difficult.
Yes.
Okay, who's the most competitive person here right now?
Me, myself. I am a competition to me.
I like this.
So that is it.
Namrata Shrestha. Contestant number?
18.
18. Okay. 18 number lucky होला ta?
I hope so.
Hope so. Okay. नम्रता आज स्यास सेरेमनी भयो उहाँ चाहिँ 2016 मा पनि
Contestant number 18.
है त्यो बेला 18 नै हो
Yes.
Wow. Okay. I hope this time it gets very lucky.
Yes.
त्यो बेला स्यास सेरेमनी थिएन नि त. So how do you like this change?
I think it's very innovative and it gives an international level of, instantly give international level ko sashing jasto feel दिदो रहेछ. I think it's a, अलिकति boost up पनि हुन्छ हामीलाई अगाडिदेखि prepare हुन्छ भनेर होला सायद, and I'm very lucky to be in this batch and I'm looking forward to the journey.
Okay. So contestantहरूलाई अहिलेसम्म त्यसरी in person भेटेर चाहिँ ट्रेनिङ भइसकेको छैन. I'm sure you remember the bond that you would have otherwise, हैन? So अहिले virtual sessions मात्र भइरहेछ. Bondingलाई keep up गर्नको लागि के गरिरहनु भएको छ?
I'm just trying to talk to everyone and not, letting anyone feel left out while we are talking to others. So I just want to talk to everyone and make them feel that, we are in this together.
So you have a friend now?
Everyone.
Everyone?
Most of them actually. Like, most of them I talk to very nicely and very closely.
Okay. Who do you think is a strong contender?
I'd have to say my name because everyone is on the same level. So for me at least, I have to be better than what I was yesterday. So.
Nice. I'm so glad to hear that and all the very best.
Thank you, Dee. Thank you so much.
Contestant number 19. What is your full name?
Sandhya Sharma.
Sandhya Sharma from the core of Madhes.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. So, as a sash ceremony boy, what did that feel like?
Feeling it was ecstatic and really exciting, and it was like dream come true because this is the first time I'm trying for Miss Nepal. I tried twice before, but I couldn't make it to auditions because of my academic reasons. So I was like, I lost all my hopes that I'll be coming here, but then fate, destiny, and it has brought me here.
Faith and destiny. That's really nice to know that तपाईले पहिला पनि 2 पटक चाहिँ अप्लाई गर्नु भएको थियो तर आफै आउन पाउनु भएन. आज धेरै एक्टिभिटीजहरु भयो नि त यहाँनिर. Which one was your favorite?
Of course, session and ceremony.
That's really nice. Okay. So अहिलेको समयमा who's the most competitive person? Don't take your name. Don't tell me you don't have a name.
Actually, we haven't interacted much, so एउटा नाम त भन्न सक्दिनँ.
Come on. Who's the most unique contestant that you've seen?
Everyone is unique in their own way. We haven't interacted much. I'm looking forward for the close camp so we know each other better and then I'll be able to evaluate.
Okay, that's really nice. Thank you so much for talking to us. All the very best.
Thanks so much.
So with us we have contestant number 10, Riya.
10.
Riya, what's your full name?
Riya Shrestha.
Riya Shrestha. Okay, tell me more about you.
I am an environmental engineer and I am currently working as a researcher. I am so excited to be here.
You're excited to be here? That's really nice. So, अहिलेको समयमा because virtual sessions are भइरहेको छ, I was really curious to know if girls have become friends or not. So, अहिलेको यहाँको best friend को हुनुहुन्छ?
बेस्ट फ्रेन्ड भनेर आई वुन्ट वान्ट टु नेम एनीबडी सबैजनासँग फ्रेन्डली नै हुनुहुन्छ अब मेबी त्यो क्लोज क्याम्पमा पछि चाहिँ बेस्ट फ्रेन्ड्स हुन्छ
So you're looking forward to close camp?
I'm extremely excited for that.
Okay, so I need names. Okay, you can't take your name and you can't say I'm my own competition type को answer and you're not allowed to say I don't want to take names, right? I need one name of a competitor. अहिले हेर्दाखेरि पनि competition चाहिँ यो मान्छेहरु चाहिँ maybe competitive हुनुहुन्छ भन्ने कुरा हुन्छ नि त. Tell me what the names are.
I'm sorry I cannot because अब त्यसरी चिनेकै छैन अहिलेसम्म. Everyone is a competition and my competition is only me.
It's such a cliche answer. Okay, Sash ceremony भयो for the first time in the history of Miss Nepal. What was that like?
It was कस्तो रमाइलो के I felt like a celebrity and I already feel like a Miss Nepal already with the title.
Really? That's really nice. All the very best for your journey.
So
I'm really looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Contestant number 6, Yojana. के छ त योजना?
अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ मिस नेपालमा सहभागी हुने अब होपफुली पछि जित्ने पनि आई गेस
नाइस त्यसपछिको योजना मिस वर्ल्ड जाने होला
या obviously
म थाहा पाइहाल्छु कि यस्तो कुराहरू सो योजना वाट्स योर फुल नेम
My name is Yojana Bhattrai.
Yojana Bhattrai. Okay. So आज धेरै एक्टिभिटीजहरु भयो. Which one was your favorite?
मेरो चाहिँ लिभनको त्यो स्लो मोसन वाला वक it was रमाइलो and then this one too. I like every activities like सबै नै राम्रो थियो तर स्पेशली त्यो स्लो मोसन वाला चाहिँ लिभनको.
I am looking forward to watch it by the way. So who's the most competitive contestant? Please don't take your name. Please don't tell me there is no name.
ओके कम्पिटेटिभ भनेको चाहिँ आई डोन्ट फिल कि अरू चाहिँ कम्पिटेटिभ हुन्छ बिकज आई एम कम्पिटिङ विथ माइसेल्फ
मैले अघि भने नि त डोन्ट टेक योर नेम भनेर
सो कम्पिटेटिभ एज इन हामी कसैसँग अलिक इन्टरेक्टिभ सेसन्सहरू पनि भएको छैन कसैसँग बिकज हामी भर्चुअली मात्रै उहाँहरूसँग कुरा गर्न पाइरहेछौँ इभन कन्टेस्टेन्ट्सहरूसँग पनि सो आइ एम लुकिङ फरवर्ड
ओके सो हाउ डेस्परेट आर यू फर द क्लोज क्याम्प
I'm 10. I'm really desperate.
Okay, that's really nice. So as a sash ceremony भयो, express your feeling in 3 words.
Sash ceremony हुनुभन्दा अगाडि I was like यत्तिकै के भइरहेछ काइन्ड अफ होइन त्यसपछि भएपछि चाहिँ I was like really excited अब चाहिँ हामीले बाहिर सबै मिडियामा पनि मेरो फ्रेन्ड्स मेरो फ्यामिली सबैमा अब ओपन अप हुन पायो सी म कन्टेस्टेन्ट हो मिस नेपालको 2020 कैन आई फाइनली हियर भनेर त्यही भएर आइ एम रियली एक्साइटेड यो जर्नीको लागि एन्ड मिस नेपालको लागि अभियसली सो आई एम रियली लुकिङ फरवर्ड
That's really nice, Yosana. All the very best for your journey. We're looking forward to it.
Thank you.
आजको दिन निकै नै रमाइलो रह्यो बिहान सुरु गरेको काम साँझ कति बेला भयो अत्तो पत्तो नै भएन आफूलाई मनपर्ने प्रतिस्पर्धीलाई भोट गर्न लिभ अन लाइफ एप डाउनलोड गर्न नभुल्नुहोला यहाँहरूको साथ र मायाको आवश्यकता मिस नेपालको हरेक प्रतिस्पर्धीलाई रहन्छ कन्टेस्टेन्टहरूसँग एक एक गरेर कुराकानी गर्न पाउँदा मलाई पनि बल्ल मिस नेपाल सुरु भयो जस्तो लाग्यो यति भन्दै म निश्मा आजको एपिसोडबाट बिदा माग्न चाहन्छु नमस्कार